Look out, guys, here we come, 4x4 and on the run. So it's so strong that you can actually climb up on a roof. I mean, look at this, guys. This is our roof. Now I'm just holding it here. If we actually go, we can drive it on the roof. Look at this. Oh, here we go. Boom. Oh, and it still works perfect. Check this out, guys. It's one thing about this brand. They make some high durable RC vehicles. Look at that. You know, fall from a roof and still drive like normal. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing, my fellow shoppers. I'm so glad you're here on Amazon. Let's go ahead and show you guys what we are working on. So today we are checking out the WOWZON. It's either WOWZON or WOWZON. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I do apologize, my beautiful friends. So 2.4 GHZ RC, 1/12 scale, four-wheel drive RC off-road vehicle. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get and how it works. Alright guys, so this is how everything comes. You get nice aggressive tires. Look at that tread. Impressive. So nice shock absorbers. Overall, pretty nice looking. If you lift it underneath, you have your on-off switch. You have your left and right trim. You do have your battery compartment bay, which you use a screwdriver. They do provide you a screwdriver. They give you your charging cable and a manual inside this little baggie. They do give you 2 batteries, so that is a plus. This is your remote, standard remote. Pull the trigger to go forward, push up to go reverse. On and off button right here. To control it left and right, you just turn this little wheel right here. So your standard remote will check and see what batteries you need. In here, they actually give you some cool decals that you can put on. So you got these decals, also a spare tire, they might not be the spares, they might just be the regular ones that you put on the little strap pins. So this is the actual body that goes on, which is pretty cool looking. I do like that a lot. There is a plastic layer that you guys can peel off. If you guys can see right here, if you peel that off, it's gonna look even cooler. I personally leave mine on because it helps protect the body against rolls or wrecks and stuff like that. But you guys can take that off. Spare battery, the spare tire mounts on the back here for some extra aggressive style. So guys, what's nice about this is you can actually hold both of your batteries in this compartment. So one is going to be operational, one is a spare when that one dies. That's actually pretty cool. I like that a lot. So guys, you will need 3 AA batteries. They do not provide any batteries. So 3 AA batteries. Look out, guys, here we come, 4x4 and on the run. So guys, it is strong enough to go in grass, so keep that in mind. You can go through grass and fairly tall grass, no problem, forward, reverse. So it's geared very low, which means it's good for climbing and it's good for going through grass and related. So yeah, we can climb over all kinds of stuff with this, which is pretty awesome. So nothing's gonna stop this thing. So you guys can see this is a nice little dirt mound here, no problem. So that's what the low gear does. I don't know if you guys can actually see the angle, but it's pretty steep for this little thing, but that's not a problem. That's what it's geared for. So it's geared, look at that. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Just climbs right up over. That one's pretty steep right there. Oh, look at that. Nice. And we're not even a full charge anymore. Still got enough power to climb. Is that not cool or what, guys? That is awesome. Here we go. Here we go.